The return of the Honda Prelude is something enthusiasts have been waiting for, and the 2026 model finally brings one of Honda's most iconic names into a new era. But this isn't simply a nostalgic revival. Honda has reimagined the Prelude as a modern sporty coupe that blends sleek design, advanced hybrid technology, and everyday practicality into one exciting package. The first thing that catches your eye is its clean, aerodynamic shape. The low stance, sculpted hood, sharp LED headlights, and smooth coupe roofline give it a premium appearance that feels both futuristic and unmistakably Honda. Unlike many sports cars that rely on exaggerated styling, the Prelude achieves its sporty personality through elegant proportions and carefully crafted details. It looks refined, athletic, and sophisticated, making it equally comfortable parked outside an office building or carving through a winding back road. For buyers in the United States looking for a stylish two-door coupe that's different from the usual SUVs and crossovers, the new Prelude immediately stands out. Step inside, and Honda continues its reputation for building cabins that are both attractive and incredibly functional. The dashboard has a clean, uncluttered layout, with high-quality materials that instantly create a premium atmosphere. Soft touch surfaces, supportive sport seats, and tasteful metallic accents make the cabin feel more expensive than many people would expect. The digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, while the large central touchscreen offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and intuitive controls that are easy to use while driving. Honda hasn't filled the interior with unnecessary gimmicks. Instead, every feature feels thoughtfully placed, allowing the driver to focus on the road while still enjoying modern technology. The rear seats provide additional practicality for short trips, and the cargo area offers enough space for luggage or everyday shopping, proving that the Prelude isn't just a weekend toy, but a car that can genuinely fit into everyday life. Under the hood is where the new Prelude introduces one of its biggest changes. Rather than chasing massive horsepower numbers, Honda has focused on creating a balanced driving experience through an advanced hybrid powertrain. The combination of a responsive gasoline engine and intelligent electric assistance delivers smooth acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency, and instant torque that makes city driving feel effortless. Whether you're pulling away from a traffic light or merging onto a busy highway, the power delivery feels refined and confident. The hybrid system works quietly in the background, seamlessly switching between electric and gasoline power without distracting the driver. This approach perfectly matches Honda's philosophy of building cars that are enjoyable to drive every single day instead of only performing well during short bursts of acceleration. What truly separates the 2026 Honda Prelude from many competitors is the way it handles. Honda has always been known for creating cars that feel connected to the driver, and the Prelude proudly continues that tradition. The steering is quick, accurate, and provides excellent feedback, making every corner feel engaging without becoming demanding. The suspension strikes an impressive balance between sporty handling and daily comfort, absorbing rough roads while remaining composed through fast turns. The lower center of gravity provided by the hybrid system enhances stability, giving the car a planted, confident feel at highway speeds. Whether you're enjoying a relaxing weekend drive or simply commuting to work, the Prelude constantly reminds you that driving can still be fun without sacrificing comfort. Safety and technology are equally impressive. Honda equips the 2026 Prelude with the latest Honda Sensing Driver Assistance Suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, traffic sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These systems work naturally in the background, increasing confidence without feeling intrusive. Parking cameras, premium audio, wireless smartphone charging, over-the-air software updates, and intelligent navigation all contribute to making every journey more enjoyable. Honda has clearly focused on building a coupe that's just as advanced as it is exciting, giving drivers modern convenience without overwhelming them with unnecessary complexity. The exterior design deserves special recognition because it successfully honors the Prelude's heritage while embracing the future. Longtime Honda fans will notice subtle design cues inspired by previous generations, yet the overall look remains fresh and contemporary. Every body line improves aerodynamic efficiency while enhancing visual appeal, and the available larger alloy wheels, sporty front fascia, and full-width rear lighting create a bold road presence. It's a car that attracts attention for its clean design rather than excessive styling, proving that simplicity can still be incredibly beautiful when executed correctly. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of the 2026 Honda Prelude is what it represents. At a time when many manufacturers are moving away from affordable sporty coupes, Honda has chosen to bring back a legendary nameplate with a modern vision. Instead of relying only on nostalgia, the company has created a vehicle that genuinely feels relevant for today's drivers. It combines efficiency, technology, premium comfort, and enjoyable handling into one stylish package that appeals to both longtime Honda enthusiasts and younger buyers discovering the Prelude name for the first time. For drivers across the United States searching for a car that offers personality without sacrificing practicality, the 2026 Honda Prelude delivers exactly that balance. It's comfortable enough for everyday commuting, efficient enough for long road trips, and engaging enough to make every drive feel rewarding. Rather than trying to be the fastest coupe on the market, the Prelude focuses on creating an emotional connection between driver and machine, and that's exactly what makes it so appealing. Honda has successfully revived one of its most beloved nameplates with confidence, creating a coupe that feels modern, refined, and genuinely exciting. The 2026 Honda Prelude isn't simply making a comeback, it's proving that affordable driving enjoyment still has a place in today's automotive world.